Hey there, how's it going? I just wanted to send you this quick video. I was looking for a personal fitness slash trainer company to work with in Kentucky, specifically Lexington, and I came across your guys' website here on the first page of Google Body Fit Lexington. So I wanted to send you this quick video because you really shouldn't be on the second page. You really want to be on the first page of Google, ranking at top, beating out Proof Fitness and taking up this top spot right here, because this is really where a lot of clients are going to be looking to do their business, is this top three spot, because most people are looking for stuff like this on their phone. And when you Google personal trainer, Lexington, Kentucky, this is going to pop up, but instead of the directions or website, it's gonna have a phone icon so people can just click on your phone number and give you a call to get information, which gives you more opportunity to convert someone just looking for information to a potential client using any of the services or incentives that you guys have to offer. So here's a couple tips, and I hope they prove helpful. The first one is content. Google does love content. It's something that their algorithm uses when they're observing a website. The more content on the website, the better, which is why, if you do search personal fitness, your homepage might not be the first thing that pops up. It might be something else, but you want your homepage to be the one that shows up on Google, and that's the one that showed up here. And they love content. If you come to Google and you type in, since we're in Kentucky, horses, the first thing that pops up is this is Wikipedia, because Wikipedia is the most dominant and reliable source for information on horses. So this is just a website with quality authoritative content on horses, which is why they are the number one spot on Google. So if you can get your website to have more authoritative information like that, especially on your homepage, Google will definitely like your website more and prioritize it in the rankings. Some of your websites, it's not websites, competitors, like Proof Fitness, when you search them on Google, their homepage is not what pops up. It's their personal training um, link, which has a decent amount of content. There's about, I want to say, maybe 200 words on here, but that's what Google likes, and that's what Google prioritizes. It prioritizes websites with some really good content on it. The same thing goes for body structure. Even though this is a rehab website, or rehab company, Google prioritizes it because they have some content, they have some videos, they have some links. So that's something that Google really does like. So getting on your homepage and putting a lot more content and a lot more authoritative information on your front page is something that will definitely help. The next thing you really want to focus on is backlinks. So a backlink is basically a website that links to your specific website at the same time. So if we come here and look at your guys' Body Fit Lexington, your backlinks are decent. You've got 16 backlinks, a decent trust flow, a decent citation flow, but that doesn't seem to be helping. You really want to up that number so you can really start coming over here to beating out Proof Fitness, even though it shows that they don't have any trust flow or citation flow. So they're doing other things to beat you guys out in the organic ranking, and some of that goes back to the content. If you come back and just look at they have two, and they're very low quality. And just to summarize on backlinks a little bit, it's like a vote. When a website links to your website, it's basically a vote for your website. And not all votes are created equal. It's between a neighbor saying, hey, these guys are good personal trainer, or the governor of Kentucky saying, hey, these people are good personal trainers. One vote has a little bit more weight than the other one. So getting a lot more backlinks, raising this up, getting this to about 50 is really where you want to be to, start outranking your competitors and really getting that top spot on Google. So, here's Motivate, Lex, they pretty much don't have anything, and same thing with Proof, so even though these guys are ranking in the top spots, on Google, here they are, Proof and Motivate, Body Structure is here, so they're even higher. And even though they're ranking pretty high, they don't have much backlink, so they're doing other things to pretty much outrank you guys. And the last thing I want to mention is getting a Google My Business listing to get on this first page. What you really want to do is get a lot of reviews. You want to get as many 5-star reviews as you possibly can. And Google loves when you use their service. So if you're using Google My Business to get your business on there and putting a map location and then getting other people to write reviews through Google, they'll reward you for that, and they'll rank you even higher on their organic listings, and then start putting you in this top spot. There's other things we can talk about, like citations, keywords, and some other really good practices you want to put in. But I just wanted to send you this video to show you how you can really get your website to rank organically and beat out Proof Fitness. That's really who you want to beat out. And from what I've seen, it's relatively easy to beat them out. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got some good information out of it. If you have any questions, just reply to this email, and I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Thanks, and have a beautiful day.